Hey everybody, it's Friday the 6th. Pretty impressive action so far in the market after today's gap down to the bottom end of this recent little range here from this week. That is testing the lows. We're right back up to the highs. We still have a declining 5-day moving average, and we're still battling with this anchored VWAP. And I don't know what happened to my one that was here, which is green. Now it's purple, but we're in this zone of potential supply again. You have to ask yourself, where has it come from? It's just come from the bottom end of this range down under 421 up to 425. Where does it have the potential to go before it's likely to encounter some supply that might be resistance? I'd say right here, this has been that level. Perhaps we get a little bit of a break higher, but I'd really like to see next week it does something like this, and then we get a better chance for some upside. But it is impressive that we're still holding up after today's gap lower. The buyers have come back in. Now the NASDAQ is right up to the anchor from this prior peak right here, and that was basically from that failed move came the fast move lower that we had spoken about, in particular in the SPY. I had gotten long in there and then quickly flipped to pretty much guilty till proven innocent in these markets with the declining 5-day moving average. So we're at the top end of this range, and I don't really see much happening here today. I might be wrong, but again, we've just rallied 5 points in here. I think we need a little bit of time to digest, maybe break above this high to lure some chasers in, and then come back down, make a higher low. And perhaps next week we can see some better action. Really, what's most impressive is these semiconductors. As you know, I was kind of bearish on them yesterday. I'd covered and kind of was kicking myself this morning for covering, but the buyers came in pretty quickly in there this morning, and now we're right up to the top end of this range. I see us kind of hopefully doing something like this, and perhaps next week will be some resolution to the upside.